Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics effectively. To truly excel, you need a systematic method that builds a strong foundation. We will explore key strategies, from grasping core principles to consistent problem solving. This approach emphasizes deep understanding over rote memorization, ensuring you develop a robust grasp of the subject. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your performance and confidence in physics. First, prioritize conceptual clarity. Spend ample time understanding the why behind each formula and principle. Once you grasp the concept, tackle problems by dissecting them into smaller parts. Don't just memorize solutions, understand the logic. Aim to solve at least 10 to 15 diverse problems for each major topic to build proficiency and analytical skills. Consistent practice and revision are non-negotiable. Schedule dedicated time each week to revisit older material, ensuring long-term retention. Solving full-length practice tests, simulating exam conditions, is crucial for time management and identifying knowledge gaps. Focus on understanding your mistakes and then reattempting those challenging questions until mastery is achieved. Finally, cultivate a resilient mindset. Physics can be challenging, but persistence is key. Leverage high-quality textbooks and reputable online platforms for additional explanations and practice. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Engaging with instructors or study groups can provide invaluable insights and clarify complex topics. Embrace the learning process with curiosity and determination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.